Today, Tori wa carry comment now about all this Bambia. On I know those people do Allah Koba Bambia. Now them a carry this matter come. Most of them now thorough criminals. Now they be corrective. Now most of them be. As it be, I hear say police just catch one cripple kidnapper inside Kaduna. This one no get leg. Nyanyash now they even use stay worker. He can't decide say he want turn to kidnapper. On a news inside Nigeria now. Now the lucrative business where they happen for there now. Now so this bros Buhari can't decide no by our president that they talk about. This one say in name na Buhari. He can't decide say he want write threat message to one girl they call her Hamuna. Say if the girl no fit pay the sum of 2 million naira, he go kidnap plus the girl, plus her papa and everybody. I even surprised person will be say be like change go fit do this kind thing. My people beg na follow me watch.
A person with a special needs who turned himself into a kidnapper and demanded for a ransom of 2 million naira. Gentlemen of the press, it may interest you to know that this gentleman here, Buhari Haruna, is 22 years of Kankia. On the 28th of August 2021, at about 12:00 hours, he sent a threat message to one Hamisu Saminu, who is also from the same country, and demanded a ransom of 2 million naira who risks being kidnapped. In the course of investigation, the victim, the complainant, reported at Kankia Division, where preliminary investigation led to the arrest of this suspect.
Now wow, I beg when I see this shatabondu. Where be say na he come turn to kidnapper. In fact, some people they even get mad because I no feel reason now. But Oga police, I guess something to talk about this matter. As you dey address this guy, you dey call am gentleman. I no dey understand. Why is gentle for him body? Because I no get. Person go thief, he go do person 419. Or I come dey call am gentle. But if say na another person, I no know because this one na their fellow Hausa member. If say na one Yoruba person, be na Igbo person, una go dey address the person as criminal. But as this one talk to on a brother now, on a get mouth they talk. But anyway, wetin carry this matter be say police go even carry mouth enter this whole thing and because of say waiting. So when this Buhari, if as I recall the Buhari, they sweet me. So that our president go see waiting in namesake they do for this kind of thing. See as this guy talk say if the girl no pay the 2 million, he go catch every now get this girl sharply. Go report to police so before things go get out of hand. Now there our Nigerian police come say okay, fine and good, make she play along. Make she tell this person say I go drop this money. In fact, our Nigerian police, I don't know someone guessing sweet like this. Because in so many cases, last we go just say they don't bust the person and I no go even play along with this thing. But anyway, for this case, they play along. So okay, fine, they go use one, do set up for this guy. Only for the girl to prepare, okay, fine, I don't drop the money. Our police, they don't already carry ammo tank, carry things, say, this kidnapper, we go catch him today. This, whoever this person be, we go catch him. Only for them to wait, carry their gun, they prepare. Now they see person, they walk out like crap, they come, they want, Now this person will be say, be the bandit, now the person will they wait for this. And I won't come ask. This guy, I don't even know, what he give and that mindset? If not be say inside Nigeria now all of us don't know say most of them don't reason say na kidnapping na be the way. Now the way we say they go use and take make I trust na wetin give and that mind to go do. But any name relating to Buhari now, me I don't reason. If they associate to bad things, see our president. In fact, we never even feel right anything about him. See this one self. This life wey in court, 22 years old boy, I sure say this one go passing just the lie. Now kidnapping work now he say he won't do. Sooner or later, blind man will begin run on street inside this Nigeria if you no dey careful. Anyway, my people, I hear this one now. Say make I bring and come. Making us stay tuned for our next story. As e be inside Abia State, I hear say Abia students, the polytechnic for there, they don't come outside, they protest. Say some police officers do something to one student for their school. Make una come guess wetin this police do. This police go rape 18. I know they talk of one police. 3 police they go rape 18 years old girl. Una see wetin our police they do. And now students come outside say that they protest against this rape before we see police carry gun. Say that they shoot them. These students say they want scatter them. Why be say they go come outside come they protest. But before I continue, make una join me watch.
there? Why would I be sitting out?
Boys no grill. Boys no grill. Where? See boys wey get mine. When I want shoot back, now I can't shoot. When I can't shoot.
Where's the people?
When I can't shoot. I don't like shoot.
I know they get our police. What did they go worry on? First, you get mind. Go rape student. I be on a get mind. Go rape person. Still people come and say on a carry gun. Say on a I beg. Now terrorist ground on a the go be say on a carry gun go there. This one are student where they protect. I beg. What thing happen to tear gas? Why be say on a no use tear gas? Use them take pursue them. This student now gun now come they shoot. But now I hear say what thing lead to this whole matter now because they say police arrest 6 of these students in which this girl where they rape they inside before they go see. They release 5 of them, leaving this one girl. I don't know, this girl carry big kebe. I be her breast big now. What's make the one they eye her? Before we go see, they notice say they no release this particular girl. Now then the student now come begin do their investigation before they go see. They say this girl they for hospital. What they do you be say you land for hospital? No be say they beat you nothing. And she claims say 3 police officers rape her. They follow her sleep, and now they won't come they hide everything. Nigeria police. On our way be say on go carry handcuff go arrest person. Wey be say rape person now on herself don't come join the gang. On now don't they rape person because and they feel say na be officer of the law, nothing go come outside. But who are go blame? The school administration. As now hear this one, why be so on no go arrest them this official? On can't leave them. Maybe they walk out freely just like that after they don't commit this kind of big crime. It means say Nigeria now joke now with day. If officer of the law go fit do this kind of thing and they go they walk out freely. I beg go on when they arrest other people. It means other people say if they pay their way out of it, they go move freely. Nigeria just they full of corruption. Something bad go happen on go they overlook them. They claim say now because him be our official son and no go do anything. But anyway, this one me I go put eye on top of this matter. And I go make sure say if anything they give them these officers, then these police officers, whatever punishment they give them, I go make sure say I come aside, come tell on about them. Anyway, my people, now here I go take break on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.